How does the symmetric difference method and operator in Python work, and what is the difference between the two? The best way for me to show you is to dive into some code. Let's create two sets with some elements. Now let's perform the symmetric difference method on the two sets. As you can see, we get a new set with elements 1, 2, 4, and 5. But why is this? Well, symmetric difference takes all the elements that are unique to set 1 and all the elements that are unique to set 2 and puts all these elements in one set. Another way to think about it is that it looks at the union of the sets and removes the intersection. Let's now perform the symmetric difference operation using the symmetric difference operator that is represented by the caret symbol. As you can see, we get the same result as if we used the symmetric difference method. However, there is a difference between the two. While the symmetric difference method can take any iterable as input, the symmetric difference operator is only allowed to compare two sets. Now, you may be thinking, how can I compare multiple sets using the symmetric difference method and operator? Well, unlike some of the other set operation methods, we cannot pass multiple sets into the symmetric difference method parameters. However, what we can do is something like this. Essentially what this does is performs the symmetric difference operation on sets B and C, and then it will perform the symmetric difference operation on set A and the new set created from B and C. If you perform the symmetric difference operation on set B and set C, you will see that we get 3, 4, 6, and 7. Then, when performing the symmetric difference operation on set A with this, we would get the set 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. We can also do something similar using the symmetric difference operator. It will go left to right, so it is first forming a set with the symmetric difference of A and B, and then comparing that set to the set C. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.